Hello student, myself Jadhav Ganesh. I am from Department of Commerce, late Sau Kamaltai Jamkar Mahila Mahavidyalay, Parbhani. In this video, we discuss some journal entries, how we record in the format of journal. So student, I have taken the 5 transactions. Look into the PPT. First of all, I read it. The first transaction is the Manish comes into the business with cash rupees 2000, goods rupees 3000 and machinery rupees 4000. Second transaction is purchase goods rupees 75,000 on cash from Praveen Trading Company. Third transaction is sales goods rupees 8,000 on cash to Pranali Trading Company. Fourth transaction is paid audit fee rupees 7,000 and fifth transaction is received a discount rupees 6,000. These transactions we record in the form of journal. In the previous both the videos we discussed the format of journal. There are 5 columns: date, particular, ledger folio number, debit amount and credit amount. But purposefully I am not taken this format in this video. Just we have to discuss how you classified the accounts from the particular transactions and how you apply the rules of these accounts. So students, we are going to classify and apply the rules of accounts. So first of all we take the first transaction. The first transaction is Manish comes into business with cash rupees 20,000, goods rupees 3,000 and machinery rupees 4,000. So who start the business? The Manish start the business. So Manish is one of the account. When the owner of the business invest initial amount to start the business is known as capital. So therefore we called the capital because Manish invest his initial amount into the business for the starting his business. So here one of the account is Manish capital. Next, he is come into the business with cash. He is come into the business with goods. He is come into the business with machinery. So student, the cash, goods and machinery, these are the accounts of real. That means here 4 accounts out of 3 accounts are the types of real accounts and remaining one of account is the personal account, and just you applied the rules of these account. Cash, goods, machinery are the real accounts, and real accounts rules is debit what come in and credit what goes out. So these 3 assets are come into the asset, therefore we treat debit to the cash account, goods account and machinery account. Manish capital is the personal account. Personal accounts rules is debit the receiver, credit the giver. So Manish capital is the giver, therefore we treated debit to the Manish capital accounts. And finally the journal entries become cash account debit 20,000, goods account debit 3,000, machinery account debit 4,000 to Manish capital rupees 27,000. 27,000 is the total of cash, goods and machinery. The total amounts of become 3 as it is rupees 27,000. And write the narration. Narration means it is the summary of transaction with the words of being. So being Manish start a business. The second transaction is purchase goods rupees 75,000 on cash from Praveen Trading Company. Student, see in this transaction made on the cash basis, not a credit basis. If you purchase goods, that means you have to pay the cash. So goods is come in and cash is goes out. So here two accounts, one of the goods account and second is the cash account, and both are types of real account. Just you applied the rules of real account. And what is the rules of real account? Debit what come in. Purchase means goods is coming, therefore we treated debit to goods account, and cash is goes out. Cash is goes out from your business, therefore we treated credit to cash accounts. And finally journal entries become goods account debit 75,000 to cash rupees 75,000, and write the narration of this transaction with the words of being goods purchase on cash. Look at transaction number 3. The transaction number 3 is sales goods rupees 8,000 on cash to Pranali Trading Company. This transaction is made on the cash basis. In this transaction the goods is sold out. Sold out means goods is goes out from your business. Goods is one of the account and cash is one of the account. And forget it, Pranali Trading Company. Purposefully the Pranali Trading Company's name is given in this transaction, but you don't consider because this transaction is made on the cash. If transaction is made on cash, at that time you do not consider the name of the person. So therefore we ignore it, the Pranali Trading Company. In this transaction there are two types of accounts, one of the cash account and second is the goods account. Cash and goods accounts are real accounts, and rules of real accounts: debit what come in and credit what goes out. So finally journal entries become cash account debit 8,000 to goods rupees 8,000, being goods sold in cash. Transaction number 4, paid audit fee rupees 7,000. Here also two accounts, one of the audit fee, and you paid audit fee in the form of cash, therefore second account is cash. Audit fee is the nominal account and cash is real account, and you apply the rules of nominal accounts and real accounts. What is the rules of nominal account? Debit the expenses and losses. Audit fee is your expenses, therefore we are treated debit to the audit fee. And cash is goes out, debit what come in and credit what goes out. Cash is goes out from the business, therefore we treated credit to the cash accounts. And finally we prepare the journal entry is audit fee account debit 7,000 to cash rupees 7,000, and write the narration being paid audit fee. It is summary of above transaction. The last transaction is number 5th, received discount rupees 6,000. Discount is also nominal account, and discount is received in the form of cash. So cash is real account. Therefore, in this transaction there are two accounts, one of the discount accounts and second is cash account. If you received cash, that means cash is come in, therefore we treated debit to cash accounts, and you treated credit to the discount account because discount is your income, and income, that means it is nominal account saying debit what? Debit expenses or losses, credit gains and income. So therefore we treated credit, and finally become last journal entry of about transaction. Cash account debit rupees 6,000 to discount account rupees 6,000, and write the narration with the words of being discount received. Student, previous video and in this video we discuss how you classified and how you applied the rules of accounts for the particulars accounts. I hope so everyone will understand how you apply the rules of accounts. Thank you so much. You have listened this video. We meet into the next video with the remaining part of syllabus of financial accounting. Thank you so much.